to go. I don't go no more. From now on, everything's gonna be alright. Don't go, don't go, don't go, don't go. Don't ever leave me.
What's up, you guys? This is Raw over here narrating a little bit for Sprayway. We're at the Tom Thumb gas station. Over here in Florida, you guys.
So you don't know what part of Florida?
I don't know what part, but
I'm looking up on that sign that said we 80 miles from Pensacola and 25 miles from Crestview.
Where we going?
We're going to Fort Walton Beach, Florida to pick up a plate compactor. Y'all know I'm doing some dirt work for the building, but I need to get the dirt. Let me move over here. Raw telling me on my camera view, but I still got to get the dirt. So I'm renting up. Well, I ain't renting now. I was gonna rent one, but I was saying I might as well go ahead and buy one because I'm gonna need one at least 4 times during the process. So I'm deciding to buy one, and I had put a bid on eBay, and I won a bid for like I think a little over $600 everything, tax and all. And I was thinking if I rent one, it'd be about $90 a day. So I found a Bomag 2550. So we're going to Fort Walton Beach, Florida to pick it up. So y'all stay tuned. We're gonna take y'all along for the ride. We already done went through all of Alabama. We down above Florida, you know, top of Florida, the Gulf Coast. So once we get to Fort Walton Beach, we'll cut y'all back on.
Let's ride, guys. Okay, you guys, we here. Sprayway heading to the truck. Pick the truck up. We're gonna pull up under this here thing over here, and they should load us up. Man, this truck here been doing some work. We've been picking up all type of stuff with this truck now. This the pickup area. I'm gonna load her on up. As you can see, they got all type of little equipment out here. All type of equipment. And we in Fort Walton Beach. They rent equipment, service equipment.
They got a lot of toys back here. Okay, right here.
You get curved, bro.
Okay.
Hold up, bro. You see me? Oh, I got to have some money for some license rides here, bro.
Huh?
Got to have some money for some license rides.
License rights. Oh wow, look at him, y'all. We got us a gangster trying to do the step down, man. How you doing?
Yeah, bro. I just messing around.
Yeah, man. We be shooting YouTube. We YouTubers.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Oh, God, don't put me on there. They don't know where I'm at, bro.
Hey, man. I hope they don't know you, man. We might put a smiling face over your face. Hopefully they can't recognize your voice.
There you go.
Well, here's the dirt compactor, you guys.
Hey, this right here, bro. $10,000 bounty on it.
$10,000 bounty. I might have to collect that myself, man. I tell you.
Hey, going on YouTube, bro.
We'll be the first time I'll put on YouTube.
Oh, I'm sure of that. Or the post office wall, either one.
Uh-oh, not the post office wall.
We do appreciate it, guys.
Hey, we appreciate you guys.
Thank you. Take care, bro.
You too now. Be safe.
They're gonna let you pick up all of this, and I'm just gonna hold this. Okay.
Getting all loaded up, you guys.
You gotta worry about you going out.
I appreciate it.
Thank y'all. Yeah, well, we got it, y'all. So now y'all know what the next thing is. This was our pickup. It's gonna come in handy. And you guys already know. We know what to do with it.
Y'all get the comment section. Y'all let us know what to do with it. It's the Bomag.
Y'all might see me on the Bomag a lot.
He said he ain't gonna worry about it flying out. I believe him. I'm not gonna put it down here. Look, it was already ready for me.
Yeah, it was already ready from the motor.
Don't beat that.
Y'all jump down in that comment section, man.
Y'all almost seen SprayWay fall.
I don't know. They might didn't catch that one. There you go. All right,
Y'all tell Raw, thank you for the great footage.
Hey, man, I'm doing my best, man. Y'all know what it is. It's wrong with the building, y'all. Huh?
Y'all check him out.
Hey, it's
check
wrong
out his
with
drip.
the building, y'all. Hey, I'm dripping out
Check
here.
his drip out, y'all.
I'm dripping out here, y'all. Y'all know what that.
Alright. We'll catch y'all back on. Down here in Destin Beach. Y'all see the ocean out there. The usually don't be like this here. Parking lot used to be full. But since it's the winter time, we got a storm coming in. Best time to come, I guess.
Several days later.
All right, here we go, y'all. I got the dirt plate compactor home. Just want to give you a walk around. It's a Bomag Bomag 2550, made in Germany. So you know it's good quality. We're gonna crank it up and I'm gonna show you how it runs right quick. Tomorrow we'll be getting the dirt in, so y'all stay tuned for that. It's gonna be on the same video. Got the Honda GX 160 on it. Alright, let's crank it up.
The next day.
Alright y'all, this the first load of the field dirt getting dropped off. Getting it from Waters Brothers Contractors Inc. Decatur, Alabama. Here we go. We got 2 more loads. All right, y'all, here's the second load. Got my main man Raw done pulled up.
What's up, y'all? Raw Customs 5959. Go subscribe, get it quick, fast, and a hurry.
He on this ones and twos. Y'all go check him out.
As y'all can see, try extra truck up, drive in with the second load, fellas.
All right, y'all. This the last truck. Let me show you what we got so far. It's 2 loads. We're gonna have 3 loads total.
What you guys think? Remember, jump down there in that comment section. Also, y'all already know what time it is. It's trivia time. Let's find out who know they stuff. How much did it cost for these 3 loads, guys? Y'all see SprayWay on his thing. There's your boys, you guys. There's your boys.
right, y'all. Here's the 3 loads of dirt. Hopefully I got enough. Be a good thing if I got too much. I can always build it up more or put it somewhere else. But if I don't have enough now, it might be a problem. But this is what we got, y'all. Y'all get in the comment section. Tell me what y'all think about it. Y'all stay tuned for the next video. We'll be on the way.
Nobody really gave a damn about us. We never stopped.